Hello. I'm going to share information with you about our system advocacy work. The system advocacy work is a huge part of our responsibility here, as mandated by the state legislature. Our system advocacy work involves an in-depth process that involves a variety of people: community members, consumers, policymakers, service providers, people who work in government systems, people from the community are all involved in that process. These people get together and identify specific needs of the community. For example, aging services. We currently have a group researching and identifying how many deaf, hard of hearing, and deaf-blind people reside in nursing homes and assisted living centers. Once they are identified, then we are going to sit down and have an interview with them to determine their feelings of isolation in their current residences. Also to determine whether or not there is a need for a group home where they can have full access to communication 24/7. Another example is Communication Access Fund. We are currently working to establish a fund for accessing legal services in our state, so consumers can access those funds to obtain interpreter or cart services. I would say at the present time 80% of the people who are deaf, hard of hearing, or deaf-blind trying to access those services have no access to those services because attorneys expect them to provide their own auxiliary service or to pay for it themselves, and this is in addition to the legal fees. That's something we're currently working on. Deaf-blind services are currently being examined because at the time there's presently nothing in the state except for 1 or 2 services. So we established a task force to study and research and identify how to improve services in the state for this group of people. We have so many projects that we're currently working on. So the webpage will keep you informed about our system advocacy work. And while we work on those various projects, we're involving various people: policymakers, consumers, community members, service providers are all involved in assessing and identifying, conducting the research, comparing data. Information is being gathered from other states against what we have here to establish a plan or to create a plan for making this become a reality. And the information is shared with the general population, with our own community, with service providers, and with the General Assembly, that is the legislature. The information is disseminated to everyone. What we're really after is sustainability of programs. When we talk or plan about establishing services, we always strive to keep that in mind. Establish a service that has sustainability for a long period of time, if not indefinitely. What we have often seen throughout history are programs are established only to falter. We need to make sure they have the money, the policies, and the people in place for sustainability, and then make that commitment. Contact us at any time for information about our system advocacy work, and if you're interested in participating in that process, just let me know. Thank you.